bubble. I think I literally have one match left.
We already lost all of our candle privileges.
I ended mine.
Brayden. Did
Who
you?
lost? Did Usher use? Did Brayden use it?
I never lost mine.
Well,
I
you're
know we
about to.
did.
I think, yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Would I like to vouch for Brayden to retain his candle license? His candle permit?
What? No. A firefighter. It was pure reaction.
Yeah, that gives you less of an excuse.
It's pure reaction. Just put the fire out.
Okay, redeem it with this one match,
Well, it's easy.
or else you lose it. Okay.
I have a lighter in my pocket too. Wait, did you get a fire? You got a fire going?
Or did you do it? Pull it off?
Yeah.
Brayden, I'm so impressed with you.
It doesn't sound very confident. Did you cheat?
No, I did it.
You did? Okay, you got it? Okay, alright, okay.
My lighter.
Candle privileges retained.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, lucky.
Not even I retain that.
How many fire you got going there, Brayden?
Yeah.
He's about to
I'm
lose
just
his
trying
candle
to
privileges.
continue the fire.
No. Okay, this is how you lose.
No, kindling.
No.
And then I got logs.
No.
Vlog. Yeah. This is how we lost our candle privileges. Because we all kindle.
Kyle, it's a good candle, right?
God damn it, that's huge. That's coming I think I saw 6 inches out of the candle.
No, that's like
That's not second.
that's like maybe 4 tops.
Hey Kyle, what do you think of this?
It's like immersion. We're on bonfire.
Yeah.
With the thick scent of lavender.
Hefty.
That's right.
I
I
heard
had
this.
fun at Kyle's tonight, but it was too much lavender.
Way too much left.
Not enough hamster treats.
There's just not. We just ate them all the first night.
Just puts a bowl out and they're all gone.
Well,
I mean, actually, if you read the ingredients, they don't sound that bad.
You try it? Oh, were you here last time when you were eating them?
No.
Oh.
You're eating them?
No.
Are they good?
It tastes like those yogurt treats.
What is going on in there?
Yeah.
Is that just a normal?
It's normal match.
That's a normal
No,
candle.
no, it is not.
What did you do, Brayden?
Just put it on the paper towel.
It really burns for a long
Kyle,
time.
that's the matchbook.
No.
Because it was done.
Yeah, but that's not a you.
Renewable resource.
No, but now it's ash. Now it's carbon.
Hey, you know what? Carbon is...
what is that, carbon?
A few moments later.
That's the glass breaking. That's sweet. It's fine.
Breaking?
That's fine.
Oh, yeah, there's a seam.
It's fine. Yeah. It will blow up.
Yeah, my table there. You're so pissed.
You're good.
We're good.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. Broke. It broke.
Oh, it's leaking!
Oh my gosh! Brad, you have officially lost.
You definitely lost.
No way. I didn't lose him.
It's so hot.
Kyle's fine.
No.
Oh no!
Blowing hot
Can you
air
even blow it
on
out?
No!
It's good. It's good. It's good.
Oh my gosh!
Who still has their count privileges?
Jake, that's it.
That was a nice candle. You coldly broke. You smashed the top.
So Jake should come in here. He's gonna see this. He's like, what happened? I lost my candle privileges.
See, I think Jake still has his candle.
He does.
He does, yeah. He's very respectful.
He
Yeah.
is. Very nice guy.
Same here.
I feel like anyone here, Brayden.
Look how much wax you still have in there, though.
Yeah, I know. That's about. I still have a good $4 of wax. Wax in there, Brayden.
Yeah. Candle's done, though.
Yeah, totally.
I'll get you another candle. One of
That's
those little
okay.
tea light ones.
Ooh, it's gonna be so nice.
Put some tinfoil in there. Make a tinfoil swan.
Okay. Brayden.
All right.
Instincts.
Screw with candles.
No.
Okay. Power Maniac. No, that's